This man is from Japan. Now 93 years old, his body is bent from decades spent cooking and serving food. Time has shaped his posture, but it has not taken away his focus. Each day, he prepares authentic sausage burgers and classic burgers, following methods refined through a lifetime of repetition. His kitchen holds no shortcuts, only habits built through patience and care. Every movement reflects years of discipline. Every dish carries the weight of experience. At an age when most have stepped away, he continues to cook, not for attention, not for trends, but for the craft that shaped his entire life.